Okay, so I'm gonna put the drop down right here, F17, F19, but this time I'm gonna take it from another area, another part of the spreadsheet, just to show you that you can do that. So let's just say that you have a roster somewhere on another sheet here. So I'm gonna open up another sheet, and let's just say that, you get some names written here, right? All right. So you could have a little class roster right here. So what you would do here is definitely highlight your cells and then do the data again, data validation. And once again, you're going to do a list. Now, you're going to select the cells from the grid. So you're going to go over to your sheet that would have the names on it, wherever it is. And all you do is just drag them, and then you can see them appear right here. And then just click apply. And then when you go back to your original sheet here, you'll see the names and they'll be in each of these cells so that you can select them. Oh, sorry, my little thing's in the way. There you go.